Hello students, let us begin with lesson number 5, Evolution of Mankind, part 1. Under this we shall study Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapien and Homo sapiens sapien and their civilization. In this lesson we shall learn how man evolved from apes crossing various stages. There is vast difference how man looks, thinks and act now. Earlier man was different in his physical structure as well as internal structure. Man has evolved from various stages. In each stage, he was a different species with comparison to his looks, body structure, and his mental and physical ability. Apes were the first stage of man. They gradually developed and evolved into human species, who were called primitive man, which means first man. Now let us understand the various other stages man evolved. Skilled man or Homo habilis. Let us learn the meaning and characteristics of skilled man or Homo habilis. The human species who could use their hands skillfully were called skilled man. The scientist who discovered about this species was Louis Leakey. The other name given to this species was Homo habilis. Homo habilis is a Latin word which means man who uses his hands skillfully. The evidence of this species was found in the border between Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of Africa. They not only discovered the fossils but also the tools used by them. So by looking at the tools, it was believed that man used his hands to make and use it. Hence they were named as skilled man. The following are the features of skilled man. The skilled man could stand on 2 feet and walk. His spine or backbone was slightly bent and not erect. His brain was bigger than apes, but his face and limbs, that is the hands, arms, shoulder, leg, feet, were similar to apes. Following are the features of tools used by skilled man. The tools made by him were made up of stones. These tools were made to hunt only small animals. These tools had limited uses such as scraping off meat from skin of dead animals or to break the bones to get the marrow. Homo habilis was a forager who wandered from place to place in search of food. The food eaten by him were as follows. He ate leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals. He gathered egg, wild fruits and roots to eat. The next stage in the evolution of mankind were Homo erectus. They marked an important stage in human evolution. The remains or the fossils of Homo erectus and their tools were found in the continent of Africa, Asia and Europe. The following are the features of Homo erectus. The word erectus means the one who stands erect. So this human species could stand and walk straight. The earlier species, that is Homo habilis, had a bent spine or backbone. The Homo erectus brain were more developed than the Homo habilis. They also lived in groups. The Homo erectus also used tools which were made up of stones, but it was developed and symmetrical, that is equal in size and shape. For example, hand axe. Homo erectus were the first man to use fire. During his period, most of the earth was covered with ice sheet. He felt the need of warmth. In the forest, due to friction, lightning, the tree branches, dry grasses, figs used to catch a fire. By seeing the wildfire, he knew about it. He discovered that it can give him warmth. He learned the technique of fetching the burning branches of trees to use that fire. So he understood the usage of fire, but he did not master the technique of making it.